Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we see the hypersensitivity reactions. What are the allergens and how they act on our body. So, in this video, we see the hypersensitivity reaction type 2. Type 2 reaction is a cytotoxic hypersensitivity, in which body makes special antibodies directed against antigens which is present on the surface of the cells and other tissue components. Antigen may be intrinsic to the cell membrane. It may take the form of an exogenous antigen absorbed on the cell surface. Hypersensitivity results from binding of antibodies to the normal or altered cell surface antigens. This type 2 hypersensitivity reaction are referred to as cytotoxic and it play a several autoimmune diseases. IgG and IgM binds to the antigen on the cell in the body. Mistakenly it detected as a foreign and can cause activation of the complement system. And along with complement activation, then there is again activation of immune cell, for example in hemolytic diseases of the newborn and transfusion reactions. These two are the example. Second is cellular lysis or phagocytosis also happen due to this hypersensitivity reaction. Opsonization, in which phagocytosis or complement activation which can be done in these hypersensitivity reactions. This type 2 hypersensitivity reactions usually takes between the 2 and 24 hours to develop. An example of complement dependent type 2 hypersensitivity reaction is an acute hemolytic transfusion reaction following the transfusion of ABO incompatible blood. Perform antibody predominantly against the donor red cell antigens and do not found in an individual of a particular group. Then one more example is erythroblastosis fetale. There is an antigen difference between the mother and the fetus, and the antibodies, that is IgG, cross the placenta and causes destruction of fetal red cells. Third example is autoimmune hemolytic anemia, agranulocytosis thrombocytopenia, in which individual produces antibodies to their own blood cell and then destroyed it. Then drug reactions can also involved in this type 2. These are antibodies are produced that react with the drugs. Drug modified of red blood cell induce the production of antibodies because the bound drug make them look foreign to the immune system. When these antibodies are bound to them, the red blood cells are more susceptible to lysis or phagocytosis. Onset is dependent on the presence of specific antibodies. Then collaborative management of this reaction. Discontinuation of offending agent plasmapheresis can be done. It is the filtration of the plasma to remove specific substances like antibodies, and symptomatic treatment to reduce the symptoms. Then Rh incompatibility. Rh incompatibility occurs when the mother's blood type is Rh negative and her fetus blood type is Rh positive. When these two blood groups are mixed with each other, then there will be initiation of reaction. If some of the fetus blood passes into the mother's bloodstream, her body will produce antibodies in the reaction or in response to the blood of the fetus. These antibodies could pass back through the placenta and harm the fetus red blood cell, causing mild to serious anemia in the fetus. This is because when antigen antibody reaction done, the mother's blood shortly attack on the fetus blood, and then there is a destruction of RBC. Therefore, anemia can cause. Symptoms of these reactions: Rh incompatibility can cause symptoms ranging from very mild to deadly. In its mildest form, Rh incompatibility causes the destruction of RBC. After birth, the infant may have yellowing of the skin, whites of the eye, that is, symptoms like jaundice or jaundice, low muscle tone, and lethargy. Then, what will be the complications can cause due to this hypersensitivity reactions? Possible complications include brain damage due to high level of bilirubin, then fluid buildup and swelling in the baby is hydrops fetalis, problem with the mental functioning, movement, hearing, speech, and seizures. Main symptom is polyhydramnios. It is a positive direct comb test results higher than normal level of bilirubin in the body's umbilical cord blood. Signs of red blood cell destruction in the infant's blood. Here the erythroplastosis fetalis and transfusions reaction like ABO incompatibility. These two reactions are non-autoimmune type 2 reactions. Then treatment for this hypersensitivity reaction because of Rh incompatibility, which is preventable with the use of RHO-GAM, prevention remains the best treatment. Treatment of an infant who is already affected depends on severity of the condition. Infant with mild Rh incompatibility may be treated with feeding and fluids, hydration, phototherapy using bilirubin lights. Prevention can be taken to reduce the incompatibility. Rh incompatibility is almost completely preventable. Rh negative mother should be followed closely by their obstetrician during the pregnancy. Special immunoglobulins called RHOGM are now used to prevent Rh incompatibility in mothers who have Rh negative factors. If the father of the infant is Rh positive or if his blood type cannot be confirmed, the mother is given injection of RHO-GM during the second trimester. If the baby is Rh positive, the mother will get second injection within the few days after delivery. These injections prevent the development of antibodies against Rh positive blood. However, women with Rh negative blood type must receive antigens during every pregnancy. Now, what is ABO incompatibility? ABO incompatibility is a hemolytic disease of the newborn. Maternal IgG antibodies with specificity for the ABO blood group system passes through the placenta to the fetal circulation, where they can cause hemolysis of the fetal RBC, which can lead fatal anemia. In contrast to Rh diseases, about half of the cases of ABO incompatibility occurs in the first-born baby, and in sometimes ABO incompatibility does not become more severe after further pregnancies. But this is not happen in the Rh diseases. In the Rh diseases, women get injections of RHO-GAM during every pregnancy. Now, signs and symptoms of this ABO incompatibility are back pain, hematuria, feeling of impending doom, fever, and jaundice. Treatment may include antihistamines, steroids, IV fluids, and vasopressors. Expectation or the prognosis of this reaction, ABO incompatibility can be very serious problem that can even result in the death. With the right treatment, a full recovery is likely. Complications can cause renal failure, hypotension, and death. Thank you very much. Here we complete the hypersensitivity type 2 reaction, and in the next video we will see the type 3 and 4 hypersensitivity reactions, how they occur and what are their preventive measures.